Salam Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you a special circuit which is an audio power amplifier. Very simple circuit. You can find in the data sheet of LM386 IC, which is one type of a class A op amps. So before I start explaining how this circuit works, I'm going to show the difference in my the voice in my laptop, the sound of my laptop before I connect this circuit to amplify the sound. So if we can hear, this is the voice coming out from my laptop before I connect the circuit I already made. So let's connect it and see the difference in the volume. Okay, I connected in the wrong jack socket. So this is the difference. Okay guys, I have to mention that this type of circuit can only be used as a radio speakers or a speaker amplifier for laptops that have a socket for the speakers individually than the headphone. Like for phones, we cannot use it because the socket jack for the headphone can have two signals, one for the speakers and the other for the mic. So there is a combination between these two signals. But in laptops you can see there is two signals individually that are separated, not connected together. The speaker by itself, and for the headphone or the mic it has another socket. And also in the radio speakers it only can amplify this sound, so we cannot use it in our phones. There is another type of circuit can be used for phones. If we go to the data sheet for the audio power amplifier, first we can see the brand of it, LM386. This is my son Abdullah. He's trying to show me something. Nama habibi. Very nice habibi. Allah yadalik. The brand name called LM386 is a low voltage audio amplifier. We have to, in the data sheet we can see all the application of this. Also we can see all the application of this IC as a AM/FM radio amplifier, or we can use it for a TV sound, line drivers. A lot of application we can use in it. Also we can see here in the data sheet the equivalent schematics for this IC, the layout for it, or the pins for explaining for what each pin are. Also have a lot of information, but we have to notice that this IC can only work for frequency under 1 kilohertz. So any sound goes over this 1 kilohertz, we can hear distortion on the speakers. In the data sheet we can see many circuits can we make. One of these circuits, as we see that gain can go up to 20, or the one I already made is 200, so the gain is almost 200. We have another circuit, the gain will be 50. Another circuit as a low distortion power, oscillators, amplifier with bass boosts, also as oscillators. The circuit I already made, as we can see, okay, as I mentioned before, the gain, the circuit I already made has a gain for 200. From the data sheet we can see pin 3 goes to the input, the pin 2 goes for the ground, 6 goes for the VCC, and 4 goes for the ground. The VCC I use a 12 volt, but is better to use 6 volts. We can connect a capacitor from pin 1 to pin 8. Also the output goes for a pin 8, but before we connect the speakers, we connect it to a capacitor which reduce the distortion. Also, it's better to use this type of filters which can reduce all the distortion come out from the computers, or for frequency that near or higher than 1 kilo. I'm going to make another video how to connect this circuit and explain each part individually, and explain also the diagram for it. But before I finish this video, I'm going to let you see or hear the difference one more time from between the voice coming out from my laptop to the speakers I already made. Let's connect it. So here's a different voice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Abdullah, what are you doing, Habibi?